over, Kirby. Surrender now. You may as well give up. I don't think so, Waddle Dee. Curse you, Kirby! What? Who are you? Sorry, Kirby. It's the way it's gotta be. And that's why I never leave the house without cough drops. And the point of this story again is what, Kirby? I really don't understand why you've told us this story. It has no point, no message. What are you trying to convey here, Kirby? Just tell us! Never, ever leave the house without cough drops. Ever! I mean, yeah, that's pretty rational. You wouldn't want to get sick. I mean, it makes sense, you know? Like, you wouldn't want to, like, cough and then... Ever! Okay. I'm gonna go hit myself over the head with a frying pan.